Ready to ditch those awkward black bars and make videos that actually pop on mobile? I'm going to show you how to use your Veo 3 to capture and craft killer vertical videos perfect for TikTok, Instagram stories, and beyond. First, let's talk orientation. Forget landscape. When recording, physically rotate your Veo 3 to a vertical position. This is the most crucial step. Experiment with mounting options to achieve stable, straight footage. Mobile is all about the 916 aspect ratio. That's the tall, slim format that fills the entire screen. Knowing this ratio informs how you frame your shots. Think about framing. Keep your subject center and leave a little headroom. This prevents important elements from getting cut off by platform interfaces, captions, or profile icons. If it's an action shot, frame it so the subject stays inside the frame. When editing, most software lets you easily set the aspect ratio to 916. Double check that nothing important is cropped out, and adjust your composition accordingly. Get creative. Vertical video of text overlays, stickers, and engaging visuals. These elements really grab attention in the fast-paced mobile environment. See the difference? Good framing and vertical orientation make all the difference. So, grab your Veo 3, switch to vertical, and start creating content that's perfectly sized for the mobile world. Get out there and dominate your platform's feed.